A really quick one. We are going to solve these questions now. No stress. Alright. So now look at this. We are having 3x plus 2 over x plus 1 x squared plus x plus 2. So this one is going to be automatically giving us, this is a linear, so we have a, alright, over this linear. This is quadratic and linear, so we have bx plus c over x squared plus x plus 2. You might be asking me that how do we know that we're supposed to have bx and c? So the reason is that whenever you have something that's carrying power of 2, if I have y squared, or if I, let me use x, if I have x squared, if I want to put alphabet there, that would be bx. If I have x cubed, that would be bx squared. If I have x raised to power 4, that would be bx cubed. Do you understand? So, and this one is linear. So because you are joining together inside the bracket, that's why I just put another alphabet there. It should not be as if it's standing alone. So that's just it. So no stress. So our LCM to be what? Product of this and this. X plus 1, x squared plus x plus 2. Alright, so we are having what? 3x plus 2 over x plus 1, x squared plus x plus 2 is equals to what? Is equals to our LCM, which is x plus 1, x squared plus x plus 2, right? So that's a, this one divided is a into x squared plus x plus 2, right? Plus bx plus c into what? When this one divide this one, so left with this x plus 1, alright? So at this junction, it's very easy. This one cut this one. Understand? Don't ask me how. It's something you should know. If you have 1 over 5 is equals to x over 10, you have to find x. 5 over 1. Denominator can cancel numerator can cancel numerator 2. You have 1 over 1 equals to x over 2. Obviously, having x equals to 2. It's just an illustration, you know. You don't have time to be doing that. So at this junction, this one comes down. You are now having what? 3x plus 2 is equals to a into x squared plus x plus 2 plus bx plus c, then x plus what? Plus 1. So take this one to be equation star. So now, there's a factor here that is very, very, very obvious. So what's that factor that is obvious? And I'm going to stress ourselves for this one. So this is the factor showcasing itself. So we say let what? X plus 1 equals to 0, which implies that x equals to minus 1. So for anywhere you see minus, anywhere you see x in this equation, so you put minus 1. We are having 3 into minus 1 plus 2 is equals to a into minus 1 squared plus minus 1 plus 2 plus b into minus 1 plus c. Alright, then this one is minus 1 plus 1. Alright, you have substituted. Alright, so this one is what? This one is giving us minus 3 plus 2 is equals to a into minus 1 squared is positive 1. 1. Then plus and minus is minus. Then what? Plus 2. Plus what? This one is minus b plus c. Minus b plus c into 0. This one is 0 and this one plus 1. So now we are having what? We are having minus 1 equals to this one. Oh, this one is 1 minus 1. Because plus and minus is minus. So this one is gone. We are having 2a plus what? Plus into bracket is 0. And we have done, that's minus 1 equals to 2a, okay? So which implies that a is equals to minus 1 over 2. So that is our answer for that one. Because we are having 3x plus 2 equals to a into x squared plus x plus 2. Alright, plus bx plus c. Alright, then plus x plus 1. Alright, so what are we going to do here? So now, this is what you are going to do. You expand this. You expand what? This is the right hand side. So we are having 3x plus 2 into ax squared plus ax plus 2a, okay? Plus what? Bx squared plus bx plus cx plus c. So x plus 2, 3x plus 2 equals to, you take the common coefficient, ax squared plus bx squared, alright? So I done. So take one that have x and x and x. Having ax plus bx plus cx plus, we're done with this. So which one else again? 2a plus c. 2a plus c. Now at this junction we have 3x plus 2 equals to a plus b plus, okay, a plus b alone. You agree with me that x squared is common. You do the same for this, a plus b plus c. You agree with me that x is common here, plus the constant terms. These are quotient of x squared, quotient of x and constant terms. So now recall that a is equal to what? Y was minus 1 over 2. Okay, minus what? Then plus half minus half plus b plus c x plus, this one is c. You know that 2 into minus half, this cancel this minus 1, c minus 1. So that's it. So now this one becomes we can write as 3x plus 2 equals to into bracket b minus half x squared plus b plus c minus half x plus c minus 1. No stress, okay? So at this junction, comparing the coefficient of s squared, obviously we don't have anything that have s squared here, so that means anything that have s squared here will be equal to 0. At DB we have something that have s squared here, we just equate them. That's the meaning of comparing. So we now got b minus half s squared. Nothing that having s squared here, we have equated it, then put 0 since it's having none, which implies that what this one at the end of the day, b minus half is equals to what? Is 0 divided by s squared, which in turn we are having b equals to what? B minus half equals to 0, which implies that what? B equals to half. So we got half for our b. Alright, let's see what we have here. Alright, that's it. So we've got b equals to half. So now that I've gotten b equals to half, so we can now compare what? What are we comparing now? Comparing the coefficient of what? Of x. So what's x? What's the coefficient of x here? So this one is having x. Sorry, we have to leave this chapter. This one here is having x. So which one is having x here again? This one. So let's compare it. That is, this one will be equal to this one. Then that will be b plus c minus half x equals to 3x. This one cancels this one. So it implies that b plus c minus half is equals to 3. Are we together now? So, but let's solve it in this small place. But b is what? B is equals to half, don't forget. Then we now plug in half here. That's half plus c minus half is equals to what? 3. This one is 1. And c equals to 3. So we have gotten the value of c like that, so no stress. So our final answer, what will now be our final answer? We now come back here, alright? You're just going to substitute what you got for this. So I can clean this up. Alright, so hence our a over x plus 1 plus bx plus c over s squared plus x plus 2 is equals to what we have for the value of a. We have minus what? Minus a over 22x plus 1. But that's no, minus 1 is going to go for a. Minus 1 over 22x plus 1. Plus what do we go for b? We got half. Alright, so what we got was half x. Alright, plus, what do we get for C? Plus 3 over what? 10 minutes. So it's standing alone. Half x plus 3 over x squared plus x plus 2. Alright, so now, which at the end of the day, let's see what we are going to be having. We are going to be having what? Minus 1 over 2 x plus 1 plus, let's take LCM. 1, this 2, this x plus what? Plus 6. X plus 6. Alright, so I'm going to be having 1 over 2 into x plus 6, then s squared plus s plus 2. Alright, at the end of the day, this is what we have for this one. So I think we're done. It's not much to put this one anyway, so you can leave it this way and you can leave it this way. So that's the end of our answer. So we are moving on to the next example. Alright.